Hello and welcome back. In this next section, you will be selecting a layout for your classroom, including format and color scheme. You will customize the font, including size and color, of the Weebly classroom. You will also learn how to add different pages to the Weebly website. Let's first start off by clicking on the Design tab at the top. Here, you have the many design options that are available in Weebly. Let's first click on Change Theme. Here, you may select any of the different themes of the Weebly website. If you decide to change your Weebly theme, you may simply go to the Design page and click on Change Theme. If you're satisfied with this theme, you can go ahead and skip this next step. Different themes have different options. If you hover over a selected theme, you can see the different color options that that theme has to choose from. If you were to click on one of the different colors, you can preview that theme on your website. If you click the preview button, that theme is applied to your web page. Here you can preview how the website will look and how the colors will affect the different outlines. At the top, you can choose the different colors and change from one color to another. If you find that you're satisfied with this theme, simply select Choose at the top. If you would like to revert back to your previous theme, click Cancel. Here, I will select this theme. As you see, my theme has changed, and so has my font and my classroom website color. The different colors also change depending on the theme. Certain themes have certain settings. Some themes do not have color options. This one does. If I'd like to change my theme again, I simply click on the Design tab at the top, and I have my different design options here. If I'd like to change the color, again, on my theme of my classroom website, all I have to do is simply click on one of these, and the color of my website changes. Some of the things change, others remain the same. If I'd like to change my theme again, I click here on Change Theme, and I'm taken back to the theme page. I can scroll down and select one of the various themes that Weebly has to offer. If I'd like to go back to my customization options, all I do is Design Options. I click on Design Options, and I'm back to my home page, and I have my options for this theme. Here I can also change the font of mine. After I change each aspect of my theme, I can go back and look at it. If I'd like to revert the different things, then I may do so. Here, you can change each section. For example, if I'd like to change the font of my title, all I simply do is click on Default, and I have many different fonts to choose from. Here, I will change it to PT size. As you can see, the font of my title has changed. If you would like for the size to increase or decrease, all you do is simply click on the plus or the minus sign to either increase or decrease the size of the font. If you would like to change it from regular font to a bold font, you simply click on the arrow here, and you can have either regular or bold font as your title. I'm going to select bold. You can also change the color of your font. And keeping with the theme, it's best to keep with the color that you choose for your theme. Otherwise, you might not be able to see your title. Once you've selected the color and the font height and size, simply click on Change Font to go back to the different design options of each of the sections. If you would like to go back to the beginning design options, simply click on the back arrow here where it says Design Options. This will take you back to selecting your colors for your theme, changing your theme, and changing your font. Once you have properly selected the color and title, click here to add a headline to give to your website. I will title it, Welcome to our 5th grade classroom. Click anywhere on the white part to save your changes. Once you have done that, it's time to create some pages. At the top, in your Weebly toolbar, click on Pages. Once you click on Pages, you'll be navigated to a white screen with the top left hand saying Pages and an orange button that says Add Page with a plus sign on it. Here, you can add as many pages as you would like, and you can title each page depending on what kind of section and category you'd like to place it in. In this example, we'll be adding one page so that you can see how it looks on the website. The first thing you do is click on the orange button that says Add Page. Here you can select from Standard Page, Blog Page, Store Page, and External Link. We're only going to focus on Standard Page for now. So go ahead and click on Standard Page. You will get a little window that says that if you'd like to drag pages to the right, you can create subpages. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. So now you've created your page. Click on your page. Once you click here, you'll need to give your page a name. For this page, let's title it Lunch Menu. This will serve as an example in our future tutorial. So, once you have the title, you can select a different layout for your page. You can select between tall headers all the way to landing page. For this, we're only going to focus on short header. You have two buttons down here at the bottom that you can select. You can either select to hide page in navigation view, or you can password protect this page. We're not going to focus on those just yet, so do not select any of those. You also have advanced settings. These are for more advanced users. If you plan on using the advanced settings, look at our other tutorials. Once you have finished titling your page and giving it a name, clicking short header, click on Save and Edit. Once you have saved and edited your page, you will see your new page here in this toolbar. This bar represents the different pages on your website. Once you are on this page, your new page has been created successfully. Now, let's go ahead and add another page. So click on Pages at the top. You're going to click on Add Page. And again, we're only focusing on standard page. And let's give our page a name. How about Our Classroom? And we're going to have a short header for this one. Now, save and edit. As you see, we've created our page, and it is up here next to our lunch menu. Now, we want to make sure that we know how to organize our different pages. So, click on your Pages tab at the top. You'll be redirected to the pages. On the left-hand side, you can grab, drag and drop your pages. This helps to organize the different pages that are on your website. If you'd like certain pages in certain orders, you can drag and drop them wherever you'd like. For this example, I will move our contact and our lunch menu to the end. Then you simply click Save and Edit. Now, our pages have been ordered the way we'd like them to. If you'd like to add a sub-page, simply click on Pages, click on Add Page, Standard Page, and then give your page a title. Here I will title it Our Classroom 2. And I will click on Save and Edit. Now, I don't want this page here next to my lunch menu. I want it in Our Classroom. I want to be able to hover over Our Classroom and for the page to drop down from this one. So I will click on Pages from my top toolbar. I will grab Our Classroom 2, drag and drop next to right under Our Classroom, grab it again, and move it over to the right. This allows Our Classroom 2 to drop right under Our Classroom. Now click Save and Edit. And as you notice, Our Classroom 2 has been removed. It is now under Our Classroom. Here, I can click on Our Classroom or Our Classroom 2, and it will take me to that page. Here I am in Our Classroom page. If I hover over and I click on Our Classroom 2, I am taken to that page. If I'd like to change or delete a page, I simply click on the Pages tab, select the page I would like to delete. Here, I'll go ahead and delete Our Classroom 2. I select the page. Then I will click on Delete Page. As you notice, the button turns red. Once you click it, you'll be prompted are are you sure you want to delete this page? If you decide you do not want to delete this page, click on Cancel. If you would like to delete this page, click on Yes. So I will click on Yes. Now that page has been deleted and is not in our Pages home. So now I click on Save and Edit. And as you notice, our pages have been deleted and our classroom number 2 is not here and it does not appear under our classroom. If you would like to add a page or add a subpage, simply follow the tutorial again.